I ain't gonna try dropshipping with $0 and try to make $20,000 in 1 week. The goal of this video is to make at least $500 just using TikTok organic. I never did TikTok organic before, and so this should be a challenge. So I was scrolling on TikTok and came across a winning product known as the pasta corrector. I also had to make sure that this is a problem solving product, which it is because everyone wants their back to be straight. To find this product, I use a tool called Mania. This is a tool that I like to use whenever I'm doing my dropshipping products and I need to find me a winning product. It's the same thing as AliExpress, I just think it's a little bit better. The best thing about this product is I can get it for under $4 on Mania or AliExpress, meaning that there's a high margin for me to make profit. In order to validate that this product is a winning product, we have to use our secret softwares in order to go and see if people are actually making money off of this product. I like to use this software called PP Spy, and it allows us to check our competitors' live sales. Now as you can see here, they're making tons of sales, meaning that this is a highly profitable product. It's been a couple hours later and our website is finally finished. When you're creating your store, you want to make sure you only use 2 colors because you don't want to confuse your customers. Also use the product called A-Reviews to help the customers trust the website more. Now that our website is complete, it's time that we go on the TikTok ads platform and create a campaign and watch that top G money come in. One important thing is making sure that you're organizing your ad strategies, completing them, and well thinking them out. This is going to separate you from all the other dropshippers and ultimately make you stand out. Now let's jump over to the TikTok ads platform and make sure that you make some profit. If the product test ends up being a success, we'll end up ordering the product to our door to help scale our product. So I set up the ads and everything, and we're going to come back to see how we did. Alright guys, I'm back. I have some good and some bad news. Bad news is TikTok suspended my ad account, and so we couldn't really scale our product's profit. Good news is we do have some updates. I got 2 sales and made $693. Alright,